our body will maintain, it will be fit by mentally and physically both. Yoga gives us very benefits like our stress, for our healthy body.
Okay. So now next question is, anybody who wants to answer just raise his or her hand. I will ask them. Okay. So next question is, how did yoga personally help you? Okay, mentally or physically, whichever way, if it helps you, then you have to answer. Okay. So who wants to answer? How does yoga physically and mentally help you? Keep your answer simple. Don't hesitate. Just go straight. Who wants to answer? From this row? Nobody. So nobody has any answer, right? How do you think you will? How are you preparing for your SSB? If you will qualify MBA, then how did you get qualified SSB? This is a simple question. How yoga is helping you? How yoga helped you personally? And nobody is able to answer this. This is the level of you, all of you. And if same question if I am asking from the Marcos batch, at least 10 girls will answer this question. At least 10. This is the main difference between you and Marcos. I will literally telling you, I am explaining you all the teachers feeling that you are half of the Marcos batch. In education, in maturity, in knowledge, in each and everything. And what is the reason behind it? Because you all are not serious about your career. If some of them are serious, you all disturb them by laughing on them or by doing something unusual which is not required in our class. You came here for NDA preparation, not for doing jokes and doing harmony in the class. Yes. So question will be the same. Anybody from the boys who wants to answer this? You. No. Who wants to answer? If you are interested, do you want to give answer? How yoga helped you personally? If you have any answer, then you can. Just stand up and start answering your view.
Yoga helps in if you do yoga regularly daily. It helps in our daily life by studies. It helps in studies and also in physical.
So next question is, what do you think if yoga can be mandatory in the school, like a mandatory subject, like for 1 hour you are we are giving you time to do yoga, or you are also doing some physical activities in ground in evening camp. So what do you think from your perception? Is what do you think? Is it mandatory to do a yoga session each and every day? If anybody interested, then answer your view. If it is yes, then explain. If it is no, then explain this. From girls' side, anyone? My question is, what do you think from your personal perception point of view, that is yoga mandatory in the school? School means from the junior classes to senior classes. As a subject. So in that class, like a musical subject, music, if there is music, you will learn music, how to play guitar, how to play violin, and other instrument, musical instrument. So that's how, yes, please.
Sir, yoga is the this question are beneficial for yoga, beneficial for children because of children are
Yes, children will learn how to do yoga.
are learned day to day in your studies, but in stress or in weakness, yoga is the beneficial for that reason.
Okay. And they will also, yoga can also help you prepare mentally. Okay, good. So next question is, what do you think, is yoga a burden on children? As a kid, when you are young, and if somebody asks you to do yoga every day, so if you think it is a burden, then explain it. If you think no, it is not a burden, then please explain it. Yes, says.
And that is, yoga is not as good as we think now. That time we can't grasp anything like this age. We don't know about benefits of yoga, and that at that age, all time we need to play games and make other things. And because of that time we should be utilized for yoga. Hence, yoga is we can learn.
Okay, suppose if I am saying that in my point of view, yoga should not be mandatory for the young kids, and I am giving you reason because young children, whenever you go outside the campus, you can see they are always fit. So that is also a way to fit their physically. Okay, that is also a way through which they can be fit physically. So how can you wish to mandate yoga in their curriculum, like extracurricular activities? What do you think about this? Is it mandatory for them, or we can skip that for them?
So it should be mandatory.
It should be mandatory. So
Because we can protect also our culture by yoga and also make a fitness.
So by doing yoga, we can also restore our cultural health, right? Okay. So next question is, now who will tell me how yoga can help you physically and mentally? You want to? Yes.
Yes, your body physically and mentally fitness. It is a relaxer of your mind, body, and your face. Mentally and physically fit of yoga in this our life. Yoga is a very important in your life because it is yoga important is your life because it is a
But you can, it can give you mental awareness, like you can.
mental awareness and school because a student is burden for stress future life in stress and both stress.
So actually, she wants to say that there are a lots of stress and